Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now today we're on a slightly different job. It's a wall replacement job. We had a previous retaining wall retaining all of this ground, and gradually over time it's gone, and now it's finally gone. So we're here to rebuild it back up. Now we're going to be using these big concrete hollow blocks, which is fantastic. We're going to be installing some rebar into an existing footing we already have. We've got the resin, so we can drill some holes, stick the rebar in, resin it, that's perfect. Over here, we have already got another footing dug. We're going to concrete that and stick some of the rebar in. Then we have a second footing, which has already been dug. You can see 600 mil deep, concrete going in, rebar going in, hollow blocks going in, and then the hollow blocks are going to get concreted up to 1 meter, and then we are topping the wall off with these 140 concrete blocks. So it's going to be a very solid wall. We're going to be building it pretty much like for like with all the other walls around here. So we're going to throw a mix on and get stuck in for the day. So the first mission of today is find water, because we are on a massive industrial site and there doesn't seem to be an ounce of water anywhere. So all three of us are splitting up to go find a tap. Good effort, boys. I'll get the hose pipe out. Good job someone bought a gorilla tub, eh? We've just paced out all of these hollow concrete blocks. The reason being, we want to make sure that our steel rebar is hitting every other hole. We could measure it out, but we don't often use these, so that's what we're doing. It's just about to start cutting the rebar to length, 1 meter, 150 mil. So 150 mil into the solid concrete footing we've got. Because the footing is that much out of level, the first course is going to be a block split. Once the block split's laid, then drilling the bars and resin everything in. But for now, I need to do a 225 cut down to 85 mil. So I'm going to get on with that, get this first course in. Would you have gone there, Char?
I'm trying to see where that is. I don't even know where that is.
Works for 330.
I'm not too sure. I'll just see for now, because I don't want to come too short, because I need a lot for that wall.
So we've got all of our rebar in, we've got all of our splits done to get the wall actually level. So now we can actually finally start laying some blocks. Not laid these blocks in absolutely ages. Last time I laid them was when I first started YouTube and I was on a farm conversion. I've put the video on the screen now. I need a bigger trowel.
You've got bar in there, Liam. Drilled it in and resined it in. Bar. I'll put it in boxes sideways for you.
Nice. Yes, mate. Yeah, perfect. Nice. the rebar, well, it's already gone off. That resin's really good. So they're in quite deep, which is fantastic. We've got a block pillar going up all the way there. I'm just gonna go set up a corner here and then start pulling everything through. And we've got a foot in here, which works 225 from there up to the cut, and then that will pull all the way through. I'll go get my snap in a minute. Just got to set a corner up here. Bah.
What from it?
God, they're still probably lighter than the stone we're laying on the new build.
Step by step, walk 100 miles, and I still ain't sure just what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer and the wind blows louder when you want it to.
Play silly bugger. Just a little update. We have sent the hollow wall up. Yeah, come on over. So we've sent the hollow wall up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 courses. So that's now ready to be concreted on Monday. We're also ordering extra concrete to stick behind it. So that'll help retain all the ground. And then we have another 1, 2, 3. We have another 5 courses of block going on, so almost another metre. So overall, from down here, the wall's got to be about 2.1 metres high. We've got the solid 140s going on top of that once that's all concreted, so that'll be fantastic. And all we're doing right now is we're just pulling through this wall. So we are going onto some of the existing, we've just been told to do so. So we have got a slight lip, but we're pulling it from point A all the way to point B over here. We're gonna have a block flat 140 pillar going all the way up here, and we're going to be tying or starter packing into that. We're also having a second pillar just there. You can see where I've marked at. We just need someone to come along and move that because we're not strong enough to do so. So we're going to pull 3 courses through here right now, and then we're going to drop on another bit of block work around the corner. So we'll catch up in a little while, but overall it's going really well. So we've got our steel there, and then I've got my cut, and it just cloaks the steel. We still will have a straight nick joint there, but it keeps the rigidity and the strength of the steel in the wall while not having a massive fat mortar joint. So I think that's quite a smart move. Anyway, we've got one more course to put on top of this, and then after that we are quickly going to put on another 3 or 4 courses on this. We only poured the foot in today, but it is pretty solid, so we're going to send that up to height, and then hopefully everything will be ready for concreting.
Trying to live with an open hand.
one more claw.
Tomorrow I'm making a list of more ways to trick my
I'm loving them, aren't you?
Yeah, the novelty wore off.
The novelty soon wore off. Get me laying big shit stone again. Do you want your blockwork smeared?
Please.
Okay, perfect.
Tonight I'm praying with a little bit more listening, a lot less saying. I used to be a wandering man.
Absolutely splendid. Right, that is pretty much where we are leaving it for this Friday and this job until next Monday. So we were able to get 5 courses on here with the rebar all in, resined in nice and strong. Monday, what's happening, we are having the concrete turn up. We are filling these up all the way to the top. So that's almost 1 metre full of concrete. So a really nice sturdy wall. We've ordered a load of extra concrete to go all behind the wall as well, so that'll be fantastic. So we're talking a really thick, strong wall to help retain this ground. We've also just wrapped up this little section here. That's also going to get all concreted, so that's nice. And when the concrete comes as well on Monday, we're going to pour this foot in. It's going to have a few steps in it, and it's going to look exactly like that wall over there. So we've just had another massive delivery of hollow concrete blocks for the wall over there. And then we also need some trestles, we need battens, because there's still another metre or so of blockwork to go on top of this wall. And then we're going to be finishing off with coping stone. So I reckon probably 1 or 2 more days maximum, and then we will be out of here. But on that note, thank you very much for watching, and we will catch you in the next one.